If you want to make an exercise for Webilang, you need to log in to the site under your name as a teacher and click on the tab упражнения, exercises in the main menu. Here you will see different folders leading to different types of exercises, and click on создать упражнение, create an exercise, and you have this interface where you need to put down the name of the exercise, the short summary, the category, and choose the difficulty level of the exercise. Here this field is ticked, and that means that by default the exercise is created for an exam. A student cannot see the right and wrong answers until she or he has completed the exercise. If you untick this field, the student will be able to see the right and wrong answers as he or she is doing the exercise, so it's kind of a training exercise. Then the description. Here you give the specific task for the exercise, and also you can use this interface for editing your task, adding pictures, videos, audio recordings, and changing the font and the size of the task. Usually it's much better if you have prepared the exercise in a Word document from which you can copy and paste your tasks to the exercise. For example, here you put the name, and the summary, then choose the category and the level and the task. If you want to copy and paste to this HTML editor from the Word document, you need to press this tab, this icon, and paste your text here, and you can edit it. Click OK. Then if you want to add a picture, click this icon, press закачать, upload, choose file from your computer, send it to the server, change the size. You can unlock it so that you have more freedom for the size of the picture, the width and the height. Click OK. Save. Now you have the draft of the exercise with the instructions and the picture. So if you want to add a question to your exercise, click on the button добавить and choose the type of the task, gap filling or multiple choice. Click готово, ready. Then take your question from the Word document. You may delete the number because that number is given automatically. Inside the gap, use 3 stars and write the words for the multiple choice. And if you put 3 stars before this specific word, that means that this is not correct answer, and leave the word without stars if you want to mark it as a correct answer. Here you put the tip advice if you want to make the life of the student easier. And click on сохранить, save. So now you see the right answers, and if you want to edit it, you can click on edit. So сохранить, save. Everything is alright, save it. Then if you want to add one more, click this button. If you want to see what you have made, click on this. So now the student and you can see what you have made for this exercise and choose the word that is given out of this list, and click on the button проверить, check. So if it's not correct, that is the red circle. If it's correct, then it's green circle. Okay, so if you want to add one more question, click добавить, add, and you can also make a combination of types of questions. Let's choose gap filling exercise. Press готово, ready, and again you choose your question, insert here, delete the number, edit, then it's a gap filling exercise. So again, where you will have the gap, put 3 stars, and here you will see the right answers. So you can give the right word, then give the tip advice, use a specific word. So the student is supposed to use this word in a specific tense, and you give them the tip to use past simple. And also you can use the example, or you can leave it blank. So if you allow to use the prompt, that means that the student will use the prompt in such a way that he or she when she clicks on the prompt, the next correct letter is added to the gap. So save, сохранить. Everything is alright, so let's see what happened. And you can see that you give them the task to use the word to give in past simple. So if the student doesn't know, he or she can use the prompt, and you see the next correct letter is added. So okay, now if you want to make this exercise public, click on the публиковать, to publish, and this exercise will appear in the list of exercises here under the rubric grammar, and here is your exercise. So if it's not published, if it's a draft, then it's not visible to the students, and it's marked like this. So here is your exercise, and you can use the URL of this exercise and publish it in your blog or in the club. And when a student does the exercise, you can see how she or he has made an exercise. Go to the student's profile, click on the tab упражнения, exercises, and you will see how the student was performing in this exercise, how much time she spent, how many times she clicked on the button check, how many attempts she had, and the right and wrong answers that she has made. If you want to add a video to your exercise, go to редактирование, editing, and click on the источник, the source, then put your cursor to the place where you want to put your video, then go to YouTube, where there is the video that you want to add. Click on the share, поделиться, choose HTML code. Make sure that these two fields are ticked, especially this one, to use the old code of insertion. So copy the code, go back to your HTML editor in the exercise and insert the code. Then click Save. So, and your video is here.